Hi friends, I am Jasbir Singh. I have a showroom of used car at Thana by the name of BKC Wheel. Since 15 years, I have been coming to Orchis over here for my seat cover fitting, and this time also I have come here to do a full seat cover fitting for my Fortuner vehicle, and I am very much satisfied with their work. As always, they do the best of the job. I am very much satisfied. Thank you.